Please guys, do not buy a new seat until we watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. Do not waste your money on something you don't have to. Let's explain about it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick and very helpful video for any of you having a problem, guys. Okay, where you guys have a Audi Q7, Porsche Cayenne or Volkswagen Touareg. All these three vehicles, they're built on the same platform. We're going to talk how to fix power seat where the height adjustment does not work, guys. And you wonder why I mentioned Volkswagen Touareg, Cayenne and Q7. They're built on the same platform. I want to show you something here. For instance, that seat, guys, even though it's out of a Porsche vehicle, you can see the Porsche. Okay, it's actually Volkswagen and Audi seat, so many of the components, even the computer right here, it's exactly the same as well. Now, that seat, okay, the height adjustment does not work. Stay with us, guys, and we'll explain how you can fix that now. Guys, now, if you have a Porsche Cayenne, Volkswagen Touareg or Audi Q7, let's explain here, okay, I want to show you what causes that. Check this thing out now. So if we come right here, okay, the seat now, okay, I want to show you the seat, we can move it back and forth. We can move the back, but when we try to adjust the seat height, okay, nothing moves, but you hear a noise. That will be the most common problem. Okay, let me turn it on and listen now for the noise. The motor is working. Okay, you have two possibilities, the motor not to work or to be just spinning freely. 90% of the time will be the motor spinning freely, and we'll explain, guys, okay, how we can fix that now, so stay with us. So guys, if you have a Porsche Cayenne, Audi Q7, Volkswagen Touareg, guys, the seats will have two motors that adjust the height. One on the front, one in the back. Now, guys, let me get the camera, I want to show you something. When we press that button all the way up, it engages both motors. When you press it in the middle down, it engages both motors to go down. If you just do the back side up, okay, that activates the back motor, which in our case makes a noise. Okay, 1 second. It makes a noise, but the motor, okay, doesn't move the seat. The front one just clicks going down, going up, didn't do anything. This is the front motor. That's the back one that makes the noise. We'll talk how to fix that, but why the front is stuck all the way on lower position? We remove the power cable, you have two positive wires, we're using the car battery here with the alligator clips. Okay, ours was stuck all the way down, but if we reverse polarity, it moves up and down. So that's not the problem, guys, the motor is fine. So in that case, for that motor, okay, we have one problem, and that problem, guys, is the switch going to up position. Now, guys, on the back side that makes a noise, let's explain how to fix that now. So now, with the Torx 25, we're going to remove 3 screws, guys, here, okay, and one right here on the side, so 4. Okay, we have one more hidden here. Let's go ahead and remove that one here too. Okay, perfect. Now we're going to go ahead and disconnect the switch here as well. So what do we need to do now? Okay, let me pass the camera. Okay, you have 2 things you need to press on each side. Okay, one is out. Now the second one. Okay, almost coming out too. This one is quite stuck, by the way. Okay, this one came out too. Want to inspect everything. So obviously we need to replace our switch too. That's the motor that we'll be working on now here, guys. Okay, that's our problem right here. So we're going to go ahead and remove the motor first, okay? That way we'll have more room to just remove the bottom part, because otherwise the motor may be in the way and we can damage it, so we'll try not to do that. So let's go ahead and disconnect that connector here. We're going to get, okay, like a small screwdriver, okay, metal pin. I want to, okay, show you now. We'll hold the camera like that. One person will need to stretch 2 little bitty things on the sides, a little bit, careful not to break them, and then we'll move it back. We'll slide it back when I say 1 second. Not yet, not yet, because we have a... Okay, it came out. Let's show you guys these things right here. okay, you just slide them. So let's explain what we need to do next. So guys, we're removing the two bolts holding the motor to the gear component there. So we have one here, we have one in the back here. Okay, we will do it. I don't know if it's gonna work like that. Okay, it did work. Perfect. One is out. Second one on this side. Okay, that one's still holding, so we need to still do that one. This one is still holding. It didn't go in. No. Okay, let's pull it out. Perfect. That motor will come out now in a second. Okay, so if we grab it, okay, it will come out. That's the motor, it works. Okay, that plastic, okay, thing here will come out. That moves it. Okay, let's get it somewhere. Okay, okay, let me see if I can get it on a piece of paper or something so we don't mess up our pretty carpet here. Now it's internal problem right here. We need to put the seat on the side and continue with the next step. So guys, right here now we're going to push those plastic things in. Okay, so we can pull that those clips in. One of them was missing one. Okay, second one came out, and this cover will come out. Okay, just be careful, it twists and it comes in an angle like that. Guys, now we're going to go ahead, okay, remove with Torx 45, okay, Torx 45 are those two bolts here that we need to remove. Okay, perfect. Okay, so let's pre-loosen those and I'll get the little impact and buzz them quick. Okay, perfect. Okay, and number 2. Now you see that big nut, I think it's a 24 on the back side is a, okay, we have a problem here because our seat is all the way down now. So let's see how we're going to be able to reach it, because that will not reach there. If you're able to move it, you will be able to reach it. If you can't, that's a little bit of a bad idea, but let's see if we can go ahead and pull that thing now. So since guys our seat is all the way down and we cannot move it because the gear is short, we are holding it with the big channel locks here and getting the nut loose on top, because otherwise it's impossible to get the Torx on the back side, okay, to get it loose. So, okay, let's see now. It's still an adventure trying to get that bolt out and see how we're going to move that thing now. So guys, we pried it a little bit here with the bar, okay, on the bolt like that, okay, and it moved out, the bolt is out. Now here, the motor, okay, you see these two metal pins go inside the plastic in the metal piece here, so we need to separate the two seats, okay, and get it out now, right here guys, that will be the next step. So we're gonna pry on the bottom like that a little bit. When we pry, you can see they will come out of the hose, and when they do that, okay, we're going to try, okay, to slide it out, okay. So, okay, see, like that, I'm pulling on it now. And eventually, okay, it's almost out. One of them is still holding. Okay, that's the assembly on the bottom side. See, one metal piece is still holding here a little bit. Okay, it came out guys. Now, let us show you where the problem is, okay. Let me pass right here the camera. I want to open it and demonstrate what's the problem inside. Here guys now. Okay. Remember we had that piece that goes here. And, excuse me, it goes like this one. And when it goes like that, okay, it's supposed to, okay, turn the mechanism, right? Well, watch now what's happening here inside. If we open it, okay, that gear is shot. Do you see right here, okay, where it skipped? If it came to that position, it was going to move some. But right here is where it was stuck, and it ate the teeth, the plastic teeth. So, guys, the aftermarket one usually are metal ones, so you won't have that problem. We have a parts car here at the garage, okay, and we have another one that we're going to be reusing here, and it's still good, okay, but eventually it will give up too. So we recommend to get the new one. Okay, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. So guys, Volkswagen, Touareg Audi Q7, Porsche Cayenne, that's the problem right here. So now this is from the melted one. We're going to get some stuff, okay, and we're going to get some of the, okay, make sure that we don't have any plastic here too, because, okay, that's grease. Apply a little bit of grease on the wheel as well. That wheel needs a lot of grease, guys, so that doesn't happen as well, especially if you're a heavy person. Okay, that can lead to more stress on the seat eventually. But the new aftermarket replacement gears, the cool thing about them, they're metal ones, most of them, so that should not happen at all. Again, now why they made this one, okay, like that, that's a good question, guys, but you can see that they did, unfortunately. So here, okay, let me get a little bit more. I think this will be good now. Let's inspect now what's happening here. Okay, the whole gear is covered and everything here is covered as well. So now we're going to go ahead, put it together in reverse order. We took it apart and test it, see if it works. So guys, we put it together. Now we just hooked up the wires to the car battery and we want to test it. And as you can see, it goes all the way up. Now let's switch polarity and we should be able to go down. Okay, we're going to install it in the car and see how it works there. So guys, if you have a Volkswagen, Touareg Audi Q7 or Porsche Cayenne, that practically fixes the height adjustment for your seat, front seat. You can see it works amazing like that now. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Please guys, subscribe to the channel, help us grow, that way we can save more people money. That's our goal, to save you as much money as we can. Hopefully guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.